Having trouble getting notifications from your Lorex Cirrus security cameras? It's often due to a break in the push notification system the app uses, which are Apple Push Notification Service for iOS and Firebase Cloud Messaging for Android. First, ensure the app has explicit permission for notifications. Go into your phone's settings, find Lorex Cirrus, and make sure Allow Notifications is enabled and that sounds are not muted. Also check if the app has permission for location and camera or microphone access. Next, verify that background app refresh is active. This allows the app to run and receive pushes when it's minimized. On iOS, go to Settings, General, then Background App Refresh, and turn it on for Lorex Cirrus. On iOS, check your Do Not Disturb settings. This mode can silence notifications, so ensure it's off or configured to allow critical alerts from your security cameras. On Android, make sure battery optimization is disabled for Lorex Cirrus. Go to Settings, Apps, find the app, then Battery, and turn off optimization to prevent the system from blocking notifications during power-saving modes. Finally, confirm you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. A poor signal can delay or drop notifications, as the app uses MQTT protocol for real-time communication with Lorex servers. If all these settings are correct, the next step is to check Lorex's server status on their website to rule out any outages. These occur rarely, about 1 to 2 times yearly, but they halt all notifications when they happen. If basic checks don't solve the issue, try restarting the Lorex Cirrus app, clearing its cache, or even reinstalling it. A common fix, especially after iOS 18 and Android 15 updates, is to reset notification permissions entirely within your phone's settings. Lorex has released updates with enhanced push notification protocols, so ensure your app is up to date. If you are still having issues, consider enabling adaptive refresh rates, which can adjust based on your device battery and network conditions, resolving 85% of notification failures as reported by Lorex. Looking ahead, security apps like Lorex Cirrus are increasingly using AI to prioritize motion-detected alerts, reducing notification fatigue. Lorex is also planning integration with the Matter protocol for seamless cross-device notifications. However, keep an eye out for potential issues with future OS updates like iOS 19 and Android 16, which may introduce stricter privacy controls that affect notifications. Remember, these issues are often user-resolvable with guided steps and rarely require hardware replacement.